Hey guys, today we will see how to make a 3D view of a plan. So this plan we had made, and I'll just give the links of the previous parts in the description if you haven't seen how to make this particular plan, including the unit settings and everything. So I'll give that in the description. And now today we'll cover that, like how to make the 3D. So plan and elevation is covered. Now we'll make the 3D. So let's go. First of all, you need to get rid of the things which you don't need. Okay. Right click and then select similar. Right click and then select similar and then delete. And then dimensions also we don't need for now. Select similar and delete. Okay. And this one and this is the plan, entire thing. This one we might need, so we'll just keep a copy of this and we'll do the changes in here. So the interior part we don't need that much. Okay, the interior part, so we'll delete the interior portions. Okay, so let's delete the interior portions here for now. Staircase, let's keep. If we want to make the staircase, just a sample staircase if we want to make, then we can make it later. So we'll see this, and this column also. Columns also we can delete. Right click and then select similar. Select similar, deselect this and then delete. So we'll see. And for this windows also, okay, you can join this lines which are not joined. But for windows, so windows we need, I have just blocked them, so you can explode them, explode the windows. And okay, just type E and select explode the windows, and then Chhaja will keep, and then the middle portion will delete. Middle portion we don't need, this portion only will keep. Okay, like this will do for the others also. Let me just do it for all the windows. So I've deleted all the windows here. Now the portions which I need to join, I'll just join it and see, observe that if there is anything which portion any gap, I'll just join them like this. Okay, and this is like this. Now let's go for the ventilator. So we'll select these two ventilators here and explode them. Okay, and then select this and then select this and then delete. Okay, and there's a gap, J enter, it will join. Right, this is not required. This is also not required. Okay, so this portion is there. And now in this area we have the door here. Okay, so this portion is just join them. You have to select this and then join, this and join. There is only one door in the, as far as the exterior is concerned. So okay, this is the exterior here. Okay, so now we'll see again. Okay, there is a gap here. Join. You see, this is, there is, check, just ensure that there is no gap in here, inner wall. So this is done. All the materials you'll find in the description, study materials. Please download them and practice along with this. Okay, so okay, so once this thing is done, you can go into the 3D view to do the things. Okay, so for going to 3D view, just simply before that we need to find out the tools which are necessary for the 3D view. Start here. So now in the bottom right corner, you just go to the 3D basics. So you'll get all the tools which are required for the 3D modeling. Okay, so you can see the basic tools which are required for the 3D modeling we get here. Okay, all right. So next, what is that? Just you can go to this top. You can see top. Just go to south isometric, or you can just use this also. And to rotate, you can use this also. Just press shift and press the middle mouse button. You can rotate like this also in this. So I'll simply go here. SW isometric, the starting one. Okay, so then I'll use the press pull command, and press pull command I'll use, and the area which you want to press pull should be selected like this. Okay, and you can see this can be used to press pull like this. So the building is 3 meters in height. So what you can do 3 meters, or what I'll do, I'll just just subtract the slab length from the 3 meters. Okay, so the slab I have to put on top of that. So I want to go 3 minus 0.15, let be the slab thickness. So if the 0.15 is the slab thickness, so I'll go 3 minus 0.15, which is equals to 2.85. okay. Before that, I want to keep a copy of this. Okay, just go to the top view, and I'll keep a copy of this because it may be required later to create CEO enter, to create some things such as the slab and all. Just turn on the ortho so that it is in the same line. Okay, so then we can back to the SW isometric view. So that's a mistake. So here we'll go 2850, enter. Like this we'll just repeat. So let's repeat here. Okay, this one, just if I press space also, then it will just repeat the command. Here space. Okay, so you can see the walls are ready. Now for this portion, here we'll go actually 1.5 for this portion. Okay, so because this portion is will be in two parts actually. This landing will be in here, and so we'll go 1500, and then there will be the landing here. You can go like this. So let's go here for the windows. So windows and ventilators we make one, and then we copy and then just paste it everywhere. So first of all we make the for the top portion. So now just to open the calculator, do the calculation on screen, it will be easier. So it is 2.85 meter in total, and the lintel level is at 2.1 meter. Okay, let me just do in mm. 2850, 2100 is the lintel level, that is the top of the bottom of the top of the windows or end doors. So how much it is remaining? It is 750. So if we take the 750, then it is okay. So here what I'll do, I'll just take this press pull of 750, enter, and then I'll just select this and CO, copy, and then paste it here. Okay, this is done. And for the window lintel height, let it be window sill level, let it be at 1000. So if I do this 750, right? So 1000 minus 750 is equals to 250. So I'll just press pull this by more 250. Okay, just select this face, make sure this face is selected, 250. So this will be a space for the window. Like this I can copy simply this thing. I don't need to do in every other way. I can simply copy this to here. Okay, and there is also window here, and there is also window here. It's easier to press pull this than to just do otherwise. So I'll use the press pull command and to rotate and all. So 750, copy, take this end and then paste it here, and then press pull once again. Make sure I select the face which I want. Okay, and then 250. Okay, like this side and this side it is done. And then okay, for this one is there is also a window here. So simply copy, carefully select this face. Okay, and paste it here. So this is done. Okay, I have another window here. There is another window in here, CO, and this will be copied from here. Okay, so now it depends like which kind of Okay, there is another window. Already I missed this. Okay, here there is another window. Select this and select this. CO, enter, copy, select this end and select this end. So like this you will find make the windows. So now let's do for the ventilators as well. Okay, let me do the calculation first. So the sea level is at 2100. The ventilator usually at sea level so that nobody can see who is bathing inside that. So 2100 plus 600 if you do, then it becomes 2700. Okay, so 2700 and our height is 2850 minus the slab minus 2700. So we'll need 150. Okay, 150 only. If you provide a ventilator height of this, so just simply press pull here 150. Okay, so simply just select this solid and copy. Okay, copy and put it here, and then we'll just press pull this up to 2100. So 2100 minus 150, which is 1950. So we'll press pull again, press pull, select this face, and what was the value? I forgot. 1950, 1950. Done. Okay, so this is the ventilator part. Select this and we'll just CO, enter, and then select this and select this. So this is put quite well, I think. Okay, yeah. Okay, this portion I think we messed up a little bit. Here we'll have a window here, but we'll not given any. No problem. Let us just give a window here. I think we'll use the press pull command again. Okay, now we got this. Okay, just take this to this much, and this and this. Copy, CO, enter, take this from here to here. Okay, so this is done properly. Now let us do one more aspect of the window, which is the chhaja. So there are two types of chhaja here. You can see one chhaja appears like this, just at the top, and one just it looks like a box around this. So we can apply any one of them. So just applying the normal chhaja, which is only at the top. Another video maybe we'll do box one also as well. So if we take a polyline, PL, enter, and let's draw one of the chhaja from here. Okay, I think that was not required because already there was. Okay, it should join actually. If I join, then it was okay. So let me give the depth of this as 150 mm. Okay, and then only the solid, just take the solid and move and enter. Take which point you will take, this is very important. Let me try by this. If we have this drag option, this and then this, like this, if I do. Okay, let me have to take a better point in here. Okay, so let me just use the calculation part. So the window top is at 2100 and the base is at 0, as you can see. Base is at 0, so 2100. So we have to move 2100 plus actually 150. Okay, so 2100 plus 150. If you move, then it is okay. Or 2100 if you move, then it is okay, I think. Okay, so we'll move M, enter, above 2100. Then I think, yeah, this is, you see, this is perfectly fitted here. Okay, 2100 is enough here. I think there is the 2D also got copied, 2D part. So we have to just, okay, there is no problem. I think if the 2D is also copied. Okay, so like this I'll just CO, enter. Okay, for this let's take this as the reference point, and for these two windows as well, just make it the chaja like this. Ventilators we usually don't need a chaja, so no worries in that. Okay, and for this also we'll just use the can we just copy this? If I take this here, let me try. If I give it here, then it will go this side. Okay, leave it. Let's just make it. You can rotate it as well. Not required. So I'll just this is already joined. Okay, so I'll simply for the press pulling, I'll simply join it like this. It becomes solid. So I'll use the press pull. I'll use 150. Okay, this will become the okay. Don't want that. This particular solid. I want this as single line. Change the properties of this. I have to go to annotate, and then I know that that thing there from dotted I have to change it. Okay, I can change it from here. From there is into this is file layer, and then it will be changed. Then I can come back to 3D basics. I can do that. Okay, and then I'll just use the press pull command 150. Okay, then we can move this and enter by 2100. Okay, then simply just select this and copy CO, select this and then copy CO, enter. Okay, and then copy this like this. Okay, for this also let us create. This time I'll use the polyline. It is better. PL enter. Okay, press pull. Not the non-dotted line. Or the non-dotted line. You can just select the. If you make sure this selection cycling is turned on. Okay, so if the selection cycling is turned on, so then it will show these options here. Okay, so I'll just use the selection cycling to use that, and okay, just delete. I have to delete it. I think deselect that and delete, and then we use the press pull for 150. Okay, so then we will just move this and enter 2100. Okay, select this and then copy, CO, enter. Then done. So I think this is the chaja is concerned. This is done. Door we didn't do. The reason we didn't do, we'll just see here. Okay, so now we'll have the staircase here. Okay, the staircase we'll have here, and we keep this as separate material. Okay, so simply what I want is I want a line here, and I want to just draw like this. Make sure your UCS is turned on so that you can draw on the surface. Okay, of which you want, you can draw on the surface. You just make sure you highlight the surface which you want to draw, and then you can draw that. Okay, so that's what I want to do here. I want to just make this a separate entity. This one, let's go press pull. You go and then click, and then you go. We'll go here up to, obviously up to this much will go. Okay, and okay, so if you want to show the staircase, then you can show the staircase in here through a glass portion here. You can show that. Okay, so we'll see how to do that. First of all, let us maybe just create the twin door. So the calculation is symbol 2850 minus 2100, which is the 750 I have to do for the door. Press pull command, select this 750, enter. Select this, copy, and then select the top portion, and then okay, and then we have to just delete this. This is the door from here. Okay, so if you want to make the staircase slabs as well, you can also do it. I'll prefer to do it separately, because I want to give a window here and to show the staircase slab here, and then I want to put the your landing slab as well. And then okay, so I want to copy from this, and yes, from this I want to copy, CO, enter, and from here I want to make the staircase slab. So in the box command, and I'll use the box command like this, and the riser height take as 150. Okay, and then I'll just rotate this like this, and we'll just use copy for the riser height. Okay, you can see this is like this, and you can copy this once again and put this point in here like this. Okay, like this you can put this point, and then again you can put the steps, copy this, and after that what you want to do is this one, we want to increase this. I want to take this face. Okay, take this particular face. Okay, okay, so now you go to this face, and this face you can take up to this much. If you know the distance, then it will be easier. Let me just find the distance in here up to this much, right? So I think I have to go to drafting and annotation for the 2D commands. You can customize for that as well. That's just I'm showing you. If you customize, then both important 2D and 3D commands you can keep with you. This is 1125, right? So I just use the press pull and just go again. 3D basics, close this, press pull. Okay, 1125. There you go. So I think I can group this as well. I'll do union. So let's do union for this, union, and select this, and then not union. I don't want to do union right now, later we'll do. Okay, so I'll just group this one, group. Okay, so that it can be taken in one go. So I'll move this, select this point and put it here. I think it fits perfectly. Yes. Now we can, if we just the advantage is that if you put a window here, then we can easily represent this staircase portion. Okay, for now let's see what is the results of this. So we'll just change this to realistic for now, so you can see that the realistic view how this looks like. Putting back this in the 2D wireframe view. Okay, so this one will want top view, so I want this view. I think this is not needed right now. I can delete this. This particular view is needed, so I'll keep a copy of this, and I'll make one thing here. So let me make for the plinth level here first. Okay, I'll take a polyline PL and plinth level I'll make here. And also this will can be also used for the roof slab as well. Polyline and enter. So this can be used for both plinth and roof. So let me just go here to the SW isometric, move this kind of, and here this one for the plinth level, let's take 400 mm or plinth height. Let's extrude this. I think extrude mode solid, then I will do 450. Now it is a solid, right? So I'll just copy, or we can move this. I think, yeah, you can move this, or copy. I'll copy this because I'll use this later for the roof slab. I'll copy this from not this point, I think the top point, the top point from here to here. Okay, plinth level, this will use to the steps later. Okay, so simply we'll use extrude. We'll just use from here extrude mode solid, use one, we'll use 150 mm slab, which you decided earlier, 150. Okay, so just now you can extend this slab portions as well. You know, this is 150 mm slab, but I want to extend this in all directions. I can do after putting it here, that will be easier. Move this, at least some portions you can extend for the slab. This point is perfect. So now the slab has been put here. So once the slab has been put, you can see this as the realistic view. You see the slab has been put here like this. Okay, so we can do union of this also. We'll discuss this union important changes here. So I'll go back to the 2D wireframe. Okay, so let's do the windows. Okay, let's do the windows here. So now if I take a line here like this and a line here like this, and if I do press pull for this, if I want to give the windows etc. Okay, it will work. Okay, press pull this. Let's give this 2850, and now let me see in the any view can shade of way. Let's see, you can see this is just select this 2D solid. Okay, or simply just use the press pull command for this, and inside will take a value, and then if we delete this, then it will get deleted like this. Okay, let's go back to this 2D wireframe view. Now we have to create. Now there are a lot of things which we need to consider, like the dynamic UCS and how to draw windows on this particular face. So use these things. So I'll use the rectangle command, REC rectangle, and then you see when I'm drawing the rectangle, I can draw this on a particular face because the UCS is turned on. You can see show UCS active. If this is not there, you can just go to this and you can turn on the UCS. Where is it? Let me show dynamic UCS. You can turn this on. So whenever you turn on the dynamic UCS, then you will select a face and then you can draw on that particular face. RECT. I'm selecting this face, so I can draw pretty much on this particular face. I'll be able to do that. So like this, and select this polyline, and I'll just move it outwards, right, just to make the window here, and we'll just insert this later. One window I need to make. I will just simply make some offsets. Okay, offset of 25, make the frame, and maybe just take the center point and join this center point, and maybe yes, join this center point by offset of 25 in here, just to represent the offset of 25. So for working on this, simply you can just click on the world axis, okay, and then offset of 25. You see if this is working or not. You see this is not working, right? So you go to visualize and we'll set the z-axis vector. You can see z-axis by default, first the z-axis by default is above. So if you do z-axis this side, so then you can work on this side better. So if I do press pull, I can do like this, but if I do z-axis in this side, then it will be better for me. Okay, so I'll copy this, CO, enter along this side, and copy this 25. Okay, so 25 has been copied by me. Now first of all, you just press pull, you see the entire thing is selected, right? Okay. Now only we want to select half, right, half of the portion here like this. So first of all, go to visualize and z-axis vector, select this here, and z-axis select like this. Now use the press pull command from home, press pull, and here we can do this easily. Let's do 50, and this portion, the remaining portion, let's do 50. Okay, remaining this portion also like 50. We'll do union later, so no problem in that. This portion also 50. Okay, this frame, you can denote this as anything like let's go 50 for this also, 50, and then we'll use press pull once again. For the glasses, we'll do 50, no 15, very small amount, keep 105, 005, like this negligible amount for the glasses, like 0.005. Okay, it's better if you define the materials now, then you'll group, then it will be better. Okay, so I just use Memeti mat, and then we'll define the materials here. So go to Autodesk library here, and here glass, metal, so metal, aluminum, and we'll select aluminum on here. Okay, so I'll just use match property MA and use this in here, and escape. So this is aluminum selected, and then inside I'll use glass, so I'll just use this Autodesk library, and we'll search for glass, it's transparent glass, and we make this a group, key enter, so that we don't have to like do this again and again, because we don't want to. Now now I think I can use UC as enter, so we'll go back to by default system. Okay, so I'll use this point to move it from here to, you can place it outside, no problem. You can place a little bit inside as well. I'm using this copy. Okay, we can have, let me just move it a little bit, enter, little bit inside, let's say 20 mm inside, move. Okay, this is better. The window is selected now. Now copy, CO, enter, Now for this also, let us do first. Okay, this also we can do here. It doesn't matter actually. Let's do this. This, place it here, select this, and you have the gizmo here, rotate gizmo, and in which axis you want to rotate this. You want to rotate this along which axis? Just select that axis. I want to rotate along this axis, so I'll select this axis here like this, and I can rotate this. Okay, now I'll move this. This union. Okay, now it is single. Now we'll select this. Okay, let me just select things. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Chacha also 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, why am I counting? 15, 16, 17. Let's see. This portion is separate. Okay, and this one as well. Enter. So now this one is single entity. That is much simpler to use, and I'll use union once again. So like that, otherwise the structure will get very complicated later on. So that's why I'm using union. If you do it before adding the doors and windows, then it will be easier. Okay, double enter, then you just again use the union here. Okay, this one is up to this much, right? Take the churches also. Take this side also. Okay. Yes. Now this side is one, and this side is one, and I'll just use this floor element as one single. This is already one single element, so no problem in that. And this one this one 3D solid. This particular solid I can add a different I think property here. Okay, so material property, flooring property, I'll just add here because I don't want to go to floor later. Okay, so flooring property, let me add here, and then we'll do this one. Okay, mat. I'll just search for floors here, flooring. We have masonry, metal, floor paint, metallic paint, plastic roofing. What is roofing here? Flooring, carpet. Let's see if we get any. And that is okay. So yeah, that is okay for the staircase, I think. Yeah, this I can use. Staircase is done. Okay, so let's do the door here. Okay, door, and then this glass, I think. So for this glass I'll just select rectangle, and this glass will be like this. So select this polyline and then move. Okay, and then we'll just work on this plane. So go to visualize and then select the set effector and set it along, turn the ortho on, set it along this side. Offset 25 is too less, 50, let's go, and just explode this. Okay, now we will just copy and copy 50. What is this distance? Copy, take this like this and like this, and I think for the press pull to work, just use this, copy, okay. Now let's use press pull. Let's see, we'll use 50, here also we'll use 50. Okay, this is there is a gap here actually. Okay, use press pull, here, let me use one by one. For this I can go 50. For this also I think I can go 50. For this might not be closed. Yes, this is closed. 50. In this part I can delete that and simply I think I can mirror this, right? That will not be a problem. Just simply press pull again and then 0.005, and I'll just apply the material property here, matte. Already was this thing on, show up light. This is glass, right? And aluminum. Select and then move. And this gap will not be there. Okay, perfect. So you see the staircase. So that's the beauty of this. You see the staircase through this. Okay, and then we see the house here like this. So we'll make the doors and windows further. So let's make the doors here now. So for making the doors, let's go back to the 2D frame view and 10 C10 view. You can see view is not working, so I'll just go here in the shaded with gray. Let's go and see. Now I work on this face, so this will work since the dynamic UCS is on. Okay, I'll select the sign, polyline, and enter. Okay. Okay, so just go to visualize Z vector, take the axis here, take the Z in this direction. Okay, set 50. Oh, I am doing outside, I'll do inside. 50. Okay, and to keep some design, keep the design, keep it plain, no problem. See, you can see plus pull. See, this is separate, right? So let me keep this as 25 and to keep this as 50. Can go and just move this a little bit by 10. Move along this direction. Move this a little bit by, sorry, move this in this direction by 10. Okay, so then you can apply the materials. Go here any wood. First one will keep here. By 10 mm. Okay, this to be realistic here, and this is the thing. We'll leave headroom and all, but let me just finish this portion first. Okay, REC rectangle. Okay, so Just to remove the awkwardness, use CS, enter, enter. Okay, so now everything will be in universal scale, right? Use CS, enter, enter. Normal universal scale it will be. Then take the box once again. Slab surface is selected. So CS will be from here. This surface is selected. So, approximately take here like this and 2800. Okay, like this we can do. Another box to denote, just to denote this roofing. Select this surface, select this surface, and little bit like 125, and then you can extend this from this side. This 3D solid. This can be done better in 2D wireframe actually. Select this, and this side will extend. Let's say 100. No, 100 is too much. Let's go 50. Okay, 100 is okay. 100, and this side also extend by 100. This side also extend by 100. This side also extend by 100. Okay, so like this we can do. And now let's finish some other things. So just go to the top view. Here let's draw the railings also, right? So for the railings we'll take a polyline PL, and we will just take this, and we don't know how much actually. From here you have to see. Okay. Move, see this distance here, and just check the distance here. Go back to drafting annotation, close this, take the distance from here, this particular end to this one is around, not this one, it's around 3961, so should be 3961 in here. Okay, so this one is there. You just join this, J, enter, and then we'll take some, we'll make the railings actually here. So we'll take a circle 50, this is okay, and select this. We'll actually go to this 3D basics once again, and select this, and then we'll use the sweep command. So this will be turned to like this. You can, let me just see in the 3D view. Okay, so leave it realistic view. Let me just go. Okay, so it will be turned into something like this, and we can actually copy this also. CO Go to the 3D view, press pull, what is the height? 750. Union, top view, go to top view. Okay, select this and move, stick. Fine. I think railings is fine. Now the steps here, so let's create some steps for this. Okay, rectangle. Use press pull. Let's go back to 3D basics. So after that we apply the grass material in here, and once you apply the grass material, what you can do so that the system doesn't hang, and go back to this, and just go back to our 2D wireframe view, and we can select a camera. So for the camera I prefer the I think the top view is preferred. Okay, so I'll just go the top view for the camera angle. Already I've just taken a camera. I'll just delete that. Okay, so you can use CAM, and you can see camera, display camera height. So camera, you can place it anywhere like here, and then you can just focus randomly along here, and you can exit here for now, and once you just enter into it, you can see the picture which is shown here. So you can adjust your path a little bit. Suppose if you want to increase the angle of the camera, I can do that. Okay, so let's go to this is unsafe view. Okay, camera 1. So this is the particular view which you're seeing here. You can adjust this a little bit in here also on this particular view. Okay, so you can just keep the resolution low for now and render in window, and just see the render here, and this by default render, and just you can do it high, when you do it, you can see the render here like this. Okay, so here just change the quality and render to size this one, sun on or off you can do. Okay, sky, you can do sky background. Okay, sky background you can do. And here you can also change this to, let's render again. This time you can see the sky background is on, and you can see the render here like this. Okay, so you can just just do this in high quality as well. I've already done that. I'll just show you the image. So this is a full quality render I had taken out. So obviously you can add more materials, more just downloadable materials also, and you can add more design to this particular plan also. But this video is made for the basic purpose, so that you can just go ahead and start doing, and once you start doing, then we can do various designs. So stay tuned, keep learning. Bye bye.